I got absolutely destroyed with the dry tortugas with no sunscreen. Because of the ferry, I wore my hat backwards. Now I have an incredible tan line right across my forehead. It burns. My whole face is just torched. My forearms torched. My the back of my calves, because I was standing at the bow the entirety of 2.5 hour ferry back 70 miles. Just pure sun, torched. The idea is to walk into a 2-hour boat tour. I can't wait to get out of Florida. This is day 12, Park 4, Biscayne National Park. Dante B. Fasco, 38 years representing the people of South Florida in Congress. Dante Fasco had many accomplishments. Even before he was perhaps one of the greatest. Biscayne National Park, Dante Fasco Visitor Center, dedicated November 7th, 1999. So they got construction going on over there, which I believe is their one trail that the lady just told me about.
You will be sweating by the time we get to where we're going. Yeah.
I left Key West last night, roughly probably like 6 p.m. I drove straight up to Miami. I slept in my car at a Cracker Barrel, so that way I was super close to Biscayne National Park, thinking I could hit it the next day, and then I could drive my way out of here. I was hoping that I could hop on the cheapest boat tour, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks, 2 hours at 10 a.m., the earliest one, get it done, get out of here. Did not happen. So I talked to the boat tour people. The boat tour people said their boat tours get scheduled about 2 weeks out. That means logistically I would have had to have scheduled my flights and my camping for the Virgin Islands. I would have had to schedule my ferry for Dry Tortugas, and then I would have also had to schedule this boat tour, all within like the same time frame. And I didn't even consider it. Biscayne National Park is mostly, almost completely underwater, so with that being said, there's going to be no adventure here at Biscayne. I got my stamp. They said I could, she said she could probably get me on a 3 o'clock boat tour. I'm opting out. I want out of Florida. I'm bug bitten and then sunburnt on top of that. And I want colder weather.